Hey guys, I'm in a Mark 6 Golf R and I just wanted to share this video. There's a cool little trick that you can do that essentially will make your turbo flutter in this car, and it can be done stock. You don't need any modifications or any tunes or blower valves. Everything is just stock. What you will need though is a cold air intake. If you do have a stock intake, then you won't be able to hear anything, but with a cold air intake it will sound good. You can also run without any intake, but obviously not good for your turbo. But I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. So this car is running a cold air intake, and when we do go for a drive, whenever I let go of the accelerator, it just sort of makes a sneezing sound, but we can change that up into an actual turbo flutter. So we'll go for a drive now and I'll show you exactly what I mean. I'm gonna wait for this car to pass. So I'm not sure if you guys will hear this properly because the exhaust is loud in this thing, but if we do go for a drive and I let go, it just sounds like that with a cold air intake. But in a second now I'll change that up into a turbo flutter. So it's a very cool little trick. It's like a hidden feature with these cars, but I'll show you exactly how to do it. It's very simple, and once you get used to it, you'll be doing it in every car, to be honest. It's just addicting and it sounds awesome. So we'll also get some exterior shots of the car and how it sounds outside, because it does get loud. Hey guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make this car flutter. Our focus is going to be on the accelerator. It is dark out now, so I've put a torch there and hopefully you can see. And I hope the camera is not going to be too shaky because I'm holding it at the moment. But once we start driving, I'll show you exactly what I mean. So it's my DSG. So once we take off and we let go, that's the normal sound, but if we double tap it, so if you double tap the accelerator when letting go, the turbo will flutter, which is pretty cool. So we'll do it again, and I hope you guys can see, but I'm letting go of the accelerator, but at the same time I'm double tapping it. Put it closer. So yeah, that's all there is to it, to be honest. Like I said, it's pretty stock, so it is a cool little trick and it does sound much better than the normal sound. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and let me know how you guys go and enjoy it, of course, and drive safe. But I'll get some exterior shots of the car while driving, and we'll see how it sounds as well.